Welcome to Tech Shava channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone if it's not working in Windows 10. First, click on the Start button, then go to Settings. From there, select Privacy and then click on Microphone from the left menu. The first setting you need to check is microphone access for this device. As you can see, it's turned on for me. If it's off on your computer, just click on the Change button and turn it on. Next, make sure to allow apps to access your microphone by using the toggle switch. You need to ensure it's turned on. Scroll down a little and you will see a list of different apps. Here you can choose to either allow or deny them access to your microphone, depending on your preference. Scroll further down and you will find the option to allow desktop apps to use your microphone. Make sure this settings is also turned on. As you can see, OBS is currently using my microphone on this computer. And that's it. If this video is helpful, if it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.